All right, so what we're going to try to do here is show you how to add 10 to any two-digit numbers. So the best way to go about it is if I have my two-digit number, let's assume I have a number like 71. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pay attention to the number in the tens place. Remember that this represents the ones place and this represents the tens place. Now I have the number 7 in the tens place. I'm just going to go ahead and underline it because that is the only number that's going to change when you are adding 10 or subtracting 10. But so let's go ahead and add 10 here. When I also look at the number 10, 1 and 0, you can see here, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. You notice here that there is a 1 here. That means simply that because we're adding 10, the number in the tens place is going to increase by 1 unit. Is going to increase by 1. So that means that this number 7, I should expect it to get bigger. So this is going to give me 8. And then the 1 is going to stay the same. Let's try another example. Let's say we have a number like 43. So we're going to be adding 10 to this number. So like I said earlier, we're going to pay attention to the digit or the number in the tens position. That is going to be number 4 right here is in the tens position. And because we're adding 10, notice that 10 is 1 and 0. So that means that this number 4 is going to increase by 1. It's going to get bigger by 1. So that is going to be 5 and 3. So your number here is 53. Let's just do one last example. What if I had a number like 87? We'll do exactly the same thing. 8 right here. We're going to increase 8 by 1. So we're going to make it bigger. Increase means to make bigger. So we're going to make it bigger and it's going to go up by 1 and that's going to be 9. And then we just bring down the 7. So that is one way you can add 10 to two-digit numbers.